What's up guys, Shadow Dragon here, and welcome back to another unboxing video. And whoa, who's moving Cobra? Cadabra. Oh, you are my epic unboxing helper. Except we're not epic unboxing, we are racing, so...
I'm doing,
Cobra Cadabra?
Cobra Cadabra, and he's doing Trailblazer.
Actually, do you want to switch?
No, he's kidding.
No? Fine, Cobra Cadabra is my favorite. Alright, go. No, just kidding.
What?
Just kidding. Alright, so we're gonna go countdown from 3. First one to lay out,
everything,
first one to...
him, the card, and the sticker.
You can just throw all the trash back here. First one to lay out him, then the card and sticker sheet, but make sure the card is covering the secret code. Okay?
Ready?
3,
3,
2, 1.
I don't want to break him, that's why.
I know, that's okay, that's fine. I'm done, but you can keep going. Alright, make sure they can see.
I didn't want to break him, so...
I know, that's okay. Ooh, Trailblazer looks nice. Just rip him open, rip him open, rip him open.
I don't want to break him, you just got him.
Here, I'll try. I'll go.
Ow.
Here. There we go. That was easy.
Stronger than me.
Alright. Alright, do you
Can
wanna...
I beat him?
Hold on.
What's that?
What's
that mean?
That is critical hit.
So hit?
Yeah.
Hit is 60, shield is 120, fastness is 70, and luck is 130.
Okay, how about for Trailblazer?
What's that in?
Critical hit.
Hit is 100, shield is 100, fastness is 140,
Ooh, pretty fast.
and then
Luck.
luck is 40. He doesn't have that much luck.
Nope, but he is pretty fast. So yeah, I'll do a close-up. You want to do close-up? Whoa. Alright. Hey, no, skipping ahead. She's got Sprite Mini Genie. This is a little spin around. Wow. Really cool there. How about Cobra Cadabra spin around? Cobra Cadabra, spin around, one of my favorite characters.
You know what we should get for the spin around? Something that spins around very easily.
Oh wow, no way, really? For the spin around, something that spins around? No.
No, instead of using your finger, you could just put it down.
Yeah, I know. Alright, so, yeah, that's just about it, guys. Thank you for watching, and we will see you guys in the next video.
Peace.
Peace.